So today we're checking out the RPM Cadence by a company called Wahoo. You can actually use this for outdoor, spin, and stationary bikes. I just got an exercise bike recently, so I want to try this out on that to see how it does. I believe they also have a speed sensor that looks very similar to this. So once you have this attached to your bike, you should be able to use this with the Wahoo app, Strava, Zwift, those kind of apps, and it's going to work with iOS and Android. Wow, this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So inside the box, you've got a quick start guide, safety and warranty information. You've also got 2 zip ties. You've also got a 3M little double-sided mount. Download the Wahoo Fitness app, and then to activate the sensor, you just shake it. Then you'll notice the light starts to blink. It may have a firmware update that you've got to do, and then just hit Save Sensor. Then when you go under Sensors, you should see the Wahoo Cadence listed showing it's connected. You've got a couple different options here to mount this. For the 3M mount, just clean off a spot with rubbing alcohol and then just stick the sensor right on there, hold it for 30 seconds so it doesn't come off. If you're using the silicone or soft mount, you can just put the sensor right in there and then zip tie it onto the crank arm so it doesn't come off. The other option is the shoe mount, where you can actually attach this to your shoe with the sensor kind of snapped into place. And then as you go around, it senses that. So you've got 3 different options to choose from.